Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of the IEEE Taipei section, welcome to the IEEE Milestone Award Ceremony. I'm your MC, Michelle Wang, Director of the Mentor Learning Center, Yanji University. Today, we celebrate the remarkable achievement of the recognition of the portable satellite communication terminals of Microelectronics Technology Incorporation, abbreviated as MTI, designed between 1987 and 1995. This marks a historic moment as the first time in Taiwan to receive such prestigious recognition in 2023. The IEEE Milestone program acknowledges significant technical achievement across all areas associated with the IEEE, highlighting innovation and excellence benefiting humanity. Now, let's watch the historical video of the award-winning product together.
IEEE Milestone. MTI Portable Satellite Communication Terminals. Established in 1983, MTI is headquartered in the Hsinchu Science Park, with manufacturing facilities in China and R&D centers in the USA, specializing in RF technology. We provide innovative, quality wireless communication solutions, including satellite equipment, microwave radios, base stations, and RFID, to global leaders in the industry. MTI's portable satellite communication terminals, which was designed between 1987 and 1995, certified by Inmarsat and launched in the commercial market, has been honored an IEEE milestone. This is the first company in Taiwan to receive the prestigious IEEE milestone recognition. This award signifies MTI's remarkable contribution to the satellite communication system and the society through technological advancements. During the Persian Gulf War in 1991, MTI's TCS enabled Peter Arnett and his team from the Cable News Network to be the only broadcaster in Iraq capable of sending live reports back to America. CNN's first real-time reporting via 24-hour hotlines allowed the public to witness the war situation firsthand, creating the CNN effect.
CNN uses 2 special satellite telephones to broadcast from the Iraqi capital. Other news organizations have reportedly complained that CNN is letting Iraqi officials use those phones. CNN's Peter Arnett reports.
The indispensable tool for covering the Baghdad end of the Gulf War. 年的波湾战争中，全球最红的产品，除了枪炮跟石油之外，就是台扬科技的这支小伞。
At the time, MTI's portable terminals are crucial for real-time communication, trusted globally by news media, political leaders, military, governments, and emergency organizations.
李总统登辉先生中午和从欧洲来访的列支登斯敦菲利普王子夫妇到新竹科学园区参观。而专门生产高科技通讯器材的台扬科技公司，他们的手提式卫星电话曾经在波斯湾战争中大出风头。李总统一时兴起，亲自拨了通电话到我国驻日代表处，通话的效果相当清晰。
林代表是吧？我你电话啦。我你讲哦，我伫新店的迄个科学园区啦，啦，气卫星啦，你给查勤啦，看你怎么样。
MTI's TCS overcame communication blind spots and fulfilled the prospect of worldwide communication. In 1992, during the Dakar 10,000 miles race, from Paris, Moscow, to Beijing, news agencies used MTI's TCS Lite satellite system for real-time reporting. In May 1993, a team of international climbers from Taiwan and China conquered the summit and transmitted from Mount Everest. Throughout the expedition, it was MTI's TCS that they carried with them to communicate through the snowy peaks. MTI's TCS also proved invaluable in the crossing of the Taklamakan Desert, a joint expedition between England and China. In September 1993, for the whole 53 days of walking, MTI's TCS was their lifeline and the only way of reaching out. The IEEE milestone achievement reinforces MTI's unwavering dedication to technological excellence and positive impact on society. MTI has established remarkable track records on geostationary orbit satellites and recent emerging low-orbit satellites markets. For geostationary orbit satellites, MTI has been world's first volume manufacturer for Ka-band satellite broadband VSAT transceivers to fulfill residential, aviation, maritime and land mobility connectivity. MTI is actively investing in the development of LEO satellite technology. We focus on user terminal RF front end. Other than satellite communication, MTI has also actively developing 5G Open RAN radio unit equipment in recent years to meet the large-scale demand in 5G telecommunications market. As communication technology continues to evolve, bringing forth more innovations in people's lives and various applications, the integration of ground communication with space satellites is becoming imperative. MTI will continue to leverage its advantages in satellite and ground wireless communication technology, and, riding on its current success, contribute even more significantly to the global development of wireless communication.
At today's ceremony, we are honored to introduce our distinguished guest present to witness the event. Distinguished Professor Liu Guorui, the former President and CEO of IEEE in 2022. Mr. Wu Zhenzhong, National Science and Technologies Council. Professor Nuno Borjas Carvalho, the President of IEEE Microwave Theory and Technique Society. Professor Stefano Massi, the President of IEEE Attendance and Propagation Society. Distinguished Professor Wu Ruibei, Department of Electrical Engineering, National Taiwan University. Now, with great enthusiasm, we extend a warm welcome as we introduce the distinguished recipients of the award. the MTI team members. Honorary Chairman Patrick Wang. Chairman Dr. Qi Xie. CEO and President Mr. Eugene Wu. Engineering Vice President Mr. Hunter Huang. Vice President of MTI Operation Mr. Danga Wu. Financial Vice President and CFO, Ms. Vivian Cho. Special Assistant of Honorary Chairman, Ms. Wang Feiwen. Chairman and President of Cyber10 Technology, Mr. Li Guangyi. Thank you for joining us. And we also welcome all the management team members here. Now, please join me in welcoming Professor Wu Ruibei to deliver the opening remarks. Please give him some encouragement.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, our honored staffs, and our esteemed friends from afar, good afternoon. So, as I stand before you, I'm truly touched to see so many familiar faces and the warmth they feel with this room. So welcome to this momentous occasion, the IEEE Milestone Award ceremony. Actually, today we celebrate not only the exceptional achievement of the past, but also look forward to the promising future, especially for our distinguished awardee, MTI. I take my distinct honor to successfully propose MTI as Taiwan's first IEEE milestone awardee. Actually, that's a ceremony, that's a recognition earned through a very rigorous evaluation by the IEEE History Committee. So actually in 1980s, MTI embarked on an ambitious journey of developing portable maritime satellite communication terminals, pioneering technologies such as foldable umbrella antenna and eutectic bonding process actually highlight MTI's innovative spirit. Overcoming challenges related to ruggedness, bulk component size and weight, stable eye performance, and heat dissipation, MTI revolutionized the mobile voice and data communication ships using Inmarsat's global satellite networks. Actually, this groundbreaking effort has ushered in CNN effect, fundamentally changing how news is delivered and shipping our world. So the IEEE Milestone Award also actually represents the new belief that our research and innovation extend beyond application and citation index. It emphasizes not the short-term profit, but the importance of the long-term impact on the society and the contributions to humanity. I think today's ceremony also reflects our collective commitment that research is not about a pursuit of university ranking or enviable personal award, but the tireless effort to benefit and contribute to people. Just as like Einstein's quote, try not to become a man of success, rather become a man of value. So we have a responsibility to share this inspiring news, and only by doing so, we can encourage our new generation to commit themselves on research and innovation, contributing to the social welfare and making a lasting impact. And also, this prestigious award also marks a very important milestone in Taiwan's electronics industry. It recognizes Taiwan's achievement to the global technology development and also the capability of cutting-edge fields and the great social impact on humanity. Some 50 years ago, Taiwan is still a third world country. Now, as the home to world-leading semiconductors and electronics industry, I sincerely hope that the companies and the universities can work together to compose more stories and pass them on to future generations. Let today's event begin a great tradition, recognized and continued in Taiwan. So more and more milestones from Taiwan can be presented to the world, and also bringing Taiwan's outstanding engineering as the great assets on global stage with admire and respect. So in conclusion, congratulations again to MTI. May your journey ahead be packed with success, innovation, and fulfillment. As we move forward with this award, may today be etched in our memory with a time of shared laughter and meaningful connections. Enjoy every moment in this remarkable event. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Next, let's please join me in welcoming Minister Wu Zhenzhong, National Science and Technology Council, to address us.
Distinguished guests, former President of IEEE, and our two Presidents from IEEE also, and all the distinguished guests for this conference. And I'm very happy to join this evening's awarding ceremony. And I remember that about 2 months ago, when I working in the Daan Senlin Gongyuan, in the morning, early morning, I met Professor Wu, and he mentioned about this ceremony. I said, yes, I will come to join because I knew 谢启嘉董事长 and also 黄彦华荣誉董事长. So this is why I'm here, because I'm not in the IEEE community for a long while. I was in IEEE ultrasonics for a while, but not in the microwave and also satellite communications. And when I listened to Professor Wu Rei's address, actually I found he dropped the opening address for me. So he already talked what written in the opening address. So when I arrived here, I said that I would speak in Chinese. That would be more, I can talk more, because a lot of participants here can understand Chinese. So sorry, switch back into Chinese. Thank you. 那个谢启嘉董事长还有我们王彦华这个荣誉董事长，非常恭喜哈。事实上，这个台扬的这个 antenna， 我从年轻的时候就听到这个大名，尤其在波湾战争，包括刚刚李登辉前总统在跟日本联系的时候，那时候就说台扬科技非常厉害啊。那事实上最近几年啊，事实上尤其我到这个科技部，现在变国科会以后呢，事实上从2019那个 Starlink Elon Musk 他们这个低轨通讯卫星出来以后，我们就发现说这个 business 已经出来了啊。那我们在之前，事实上这个 Starlink 的高层来到行政院的时候， 也有到行政院，我跟他们谈了一下。事实上，我们那个时候就有跟 SpaceX 在做 contact。那我们也发现说，有很多的这个低轨通讯卫星的地面，包括上面 satellite 的 system 都是台湾在做。所以2019我们就开始说，台湾这个产业是不能缺席。所以事实上，大家可以看到，最近我们这个低轨通讯卫星有2+4，2颗加4颗，事实上已经在太空中心，还有包括民间的公司一起在努力当中，投资了很多钱啊。那低轨通讯卫星其实不只是地面的接收设备，上面的发射，我说那个是一个投手，我们以前都练习当捕手。那事实上，你当捕手当久了以后，你如果不知道投手要投什么球，你下面就不知道怎么超前去做我们的接收系统。就现在，如果我们自己可以发射到这个太空，然后我们可以掌握未来它的 application。所以就地面的接收这接收 terminal 以外呢，事实上未来的很多的 application 都会依据这个来开始哈。所以今天那个刚好是2个月前，我在大安森林公园走路，然后碰到这个吴瑞北吴教授，然后他说一直然后以后每天都写 email 跟我讲说一定要来哈。那我说这个真的我是不懂哦。那刚好他已经用英文把他写给我的这个 open address 的稿已经都好像一模一样哈。所以我有仔细听哈。所以我现在用中文就是说，未来这个系统应该是台湾会在全世界扮演很重要的角色。那我们台扬科技40年前就开始哈，那我一直到现在，我想应该在台湾的这个就是低轨通讯，包括微波或者卫星通讯这边扮演非常重要的角色。那今天可以得到我们 IEEE 这个 Milestone 这个奖，我想是实至名归。那也感谢 IEEE 这边有看到我们台扬科技的这个表现哈，那也把台湾顺便带到这个国际的通讯卫星的一些 community， 我想这个是非常重要，也非常感谢。那刚刚那个吴瑞北吴教授提到 IEEE 事实上很注重这个 humanity。那这个也的确是很重要。事实上，国科会未来2030、2035的这个愿景就是创新、包容、永续。那其中那个包容跟人本完全是一致的啊。所以我想今天很高兴来这边看到我平常比较少看到的面孔。那事实上有一些老同事在台大电机系都有碰过但是这个 community 我是第一次来参加，所以我非常谢谢。有这个机会跟大家见面，也希望未来大家一起为这个台湾的通讯卫星微波这边来贡献。那刚刚吴瑞北教授也提到，我最近推出的 Chip-based Industrial Innovation Program 在台湾10年3000亿台币从明年开始。那事实上没有忘掉这个微波这边应该这边的 innovation 应该也都是包含在行政院的这个 program 里面，所以我想大家以后一起来这个努力为台湾的这个通讯产业再加一把劲。谢谢。
Now let's invite distinguished Professor 刘国瑞 to address us.
Distinguished guests, how I wish I can speak freely, but on behalf of IEEE, I cannot. I will speak to this room, so please bear with me for this very important milestone celebrations. So, do we have something I can tell me? You don't? Okay. I'll do this way. All right. Good evening, everyone. It is my pleasure to participate in today's IEEE milestone dedications as we acknowledge and celebrate MTI's efforts to pioneer the development of transportable satellite communication terminal that offer global voice, telex, and data connectivity in a remarkably compact form factor suitable for use in extreme environment. I would like to share a warm welcome to all of our members and guests joining us in today's celebrations. For those who are unfamiliar with IEEE, it is an association dedicated to clear and simple missions of advancing innovation and technological excellence for the benefit of humanity. As the world's largest technical professional society, IEEE serves professionals involved in all aspects of the electrical, electronics, and computing field, and related area of science and technology that underpin our modern civilizations. Through our highly cited publications, conference, technology standard, and professional and educational activity, IEEE members from over 160 countries build community of diverse engineering and technological professionals and inspire innovative technological solutions. IEEE's legacy is a story of innovation and collaborations. Our founders came together in a spirit of cooperation to support the public with technological improvement. And since 1884, IEEE has been fostering technological advancements for the benefit of humanity. IEEE reflects nearly 140 years of being at the forefront of the technical revolution in everything we can think of that has shaped our modern way of life. The profession of engineering has a long, rich, and important history. And it is essential that our pioneering technological development and discovery are recognized and celebrated for generations to come. Achievements such as MTI's groundbreaking development of transportable satellite communication terminal suitable for use in extreme environments. The first, most prominent usage of MTI's portable SATCOM was during the Persian Gulf War in 1991. Being compact and durable in even the most hazardous environment, the system played a significant role in broadcasting the war, providing Peter Arnett and his team from CNN with the capability to send live report back to America, the only broadcaster in Iraq to be able to do so. And I'd like to add, at that time, CNN was unknown. And this is the event that helped build CNN. This is off screen. MTI's TCS also overcame communication blind spot and fulfilled the prospect of worldwide communication when in May 1993, a team of international climbers from Taiwan and China conquered the summit and transmit from Mount Everest. Throughout the expeditions, it was MTI's TCS that they carry with them to communicate through the snowy peaks. MTI's TCS also proved invaluable in the crossing of the Taklamakan Desert, a joint expedition between England and China in September 1993 for the whole 53 days of walking. MTI's TCS was their lifeline and the only way of reaching out. As the largest technological association in the world, it is an important part of IEEE's missions to preserve the legacy and heritage of our professions, to recognize these great achievements, and to promote the importance and impact of engineering. Since our inceptions, IEEE has a standing history committee that advises IEEE's board director on matter of the legacy and heritage of IEEE and its members and their related professional and technologies. The mission of IEEE History Center, which celebrates its 40 years anniversary in 2020, is to preserve, research, and promote the history of information and electrical technologies. The center maintains many useful resources for anyone interested in the development of electrical and computer engineering and its role in modern society. The center plays an essential role in helping community around the world understand how engineers, scientists, and technologists contribute to our global society and have contributed to building today's technologically advanced world. One way they do that is through IEEE Milestone program. That's where we are today. Funded by donation to IEEE foundations, the Milestone program recognizes great moments throughout our world's long history of technical innovations. The program began in 1983 as part of IEEE centennial celebrations. Today's milestone is our 241st worldwide. It is the very first milestone for Taiwan. Congratulations, and I hope this is the first one. IEEE milestone help to increase the public's understanding of the contribution to society made by electrical, electronic, and computer engineers, and the strive made by countless technologists as they sought to advance technology to benefit humanity. Milestones are also a way for members in IEEE sessions to take pride in their profession and its accomplishments. They demonstrate to their local community how engineers, scientists, and technologists have contributed not only to that particular community but also to our global community, helping to build today's technologically advanced world. I would like to thank once again everyone for joining this very special ceremony today, and to congratulate the organizer from the IEEE Taipei section for putting together today's event. Today's milestone dedication reinforced MTI's unwavering dedication to technological excellence and positive impact on society. MTI enabled communication where it was deemed impossible before. The company's pioneering work had propelled the satellite industry forward, with the ultimate goal of establishing a seamless communication network that leaves no blind spot on the globe. It is my pleasure to be part of today's celebration. My heartfelt congratulations. Thank you.
Now it's time for the award presentation. We sincerely invite the following distinguished guests from IEEE Society to the stage. Minister Wu Zhenzhong, National Science and Technology Council, Professor Nuno Borjas, Cavallo, Professor Stefano Messi, Distinguished Professor Wu Ruibei, Professor Li Peiwen. Now let's invite MTI executive team to come to the stage and to receive the IEEE Milestone Award. Chairman Dr. Xie Qijia, please come up here. CEO and President Mr. Eugene Wu. Engineering Vice President Mr. Hunter Huang. Vice President of the MTI Operation Mr. Danga Wu. Financial Vice President and CFO Ms. Vivian Chiu, please come up here. Okay, now let's all together count down 3 to open up this award, to present this awards. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Let's open up. Congratulations. Congratulations to everyone. Now, please look in front. We're going to take a good picture. Our photographer is ready. You ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Say cheese. Okay, one more time. 1, 2, 3. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you for your participation. Thank you. Please be seated. Now let's invite Dr. Xie Qijia, the chairman of the MTI, to share a few words of gratitude to the world.
Thank you so much. And Minister Wu, President Liu, and Professor Wu. On behalf of MTI, first of all, I want to thank you so much for your awarding this milestone to MTI, and especially thank you for working so hard to put this together. And we're really very honored. Looking back, back in 1983, Patrick and I and some other friends, we started MTI in the Hsinchu Science Park. At that time, hate to say this, almost nobody wants to go to Hsinchu Science Park. So at that time, we were very lonesome. I think we were number 5 or number 6 company there. And today, Science Park has 940 companies, including TICC, Taiwan Semiconductor. So we're really, really moved that we lived through 40 years with all our great engineers that we developing one product after another. In the beginning, we built microwave components, thin film circuits for HP. Later on, HP became one of our largest shareholders. We built parts for the HP instrument. And then we built point-to-point microwave radios, which we used for many mobile radios back home. And then, through our good friend, we actually entered the satellite communication, started by one-way satellite broadcast, and we were building the low-noise block-down converter called LNB. Until today, I think we produce probably more than 5 billion pieces that is all over the world. and you go through Eastern Europe, go through India, you see our L&B all over providing people the TV broadcast. And then we provide the VSAT for the high orbit satellites for the point-to-point communication between all kinds of applications. And we were working with the giant Hughes in Maryland and over 30-some years. I don't know how many transceivers that we built. And then we get into the mobile radio. The mobile radio, we started from 2G, 3G, 4G, now it's 5G. And we are building the transceiver for the base stations. At that time, we started working with AT&T, later on become Nokia, and we are really working hard for this product. Right now, we enter into 5G open RAN radios, and this is really, really through all our great engineers' achievement. So today I want to especially thank all our great engineers to make this happen. And again, thanks IEEE for this recognition. And it's really honor. And now I think our founder, chairman, Wang might want to add some special message to you.
All distinguished guests, thank you for coming for this event. I have a few notes to add. There's a couple stories nobody mentioned. The first one is Yangtze River has a big flood. At that time, Prime Minister Wen Jiabao somehow through different channels asked us to send 2 portable units to Wuhan for the big flood event. Another one, maybe you still remember, there's a big meeting between Gorbachev and also President Bush. We received an urgent order. In 2 weeks, we should deliver 1 satellite unit installed on his, his big, let me see. I think it's a destroyer, but that's for the President Bush's. Anyway, they had a big sub-meeting over there. We also received the order to send in 2 weeks to prepare and send 5 portable units for their communication. We feel so excited. Everybody worked hard, day and night, to get prepared. But unfortunately, we were not allowed to get on board with the picture. There's also some other story. Probably nobody knows. We are not allowed to disclose that time. We received an order from U.S. State Department through a special agent, ask us to prepare in two years to prepare 200 units of this portable So we were not told where to go. But later on we found out they sent out to every consulate generals to all the countries. So in 2 years we delivered 200 units. And I still remember one of the very, very special order. They asked us to prepare for 20 units. So outside package has to be very rugged. So rugged, we have to test them with 10 meter high and drop on the floor without any damage. So I remember very vividly, we made the package. I stand on that package and jump. That time I was about 240 pounds, much heavier than today. So that's a very good. And also to make it, there's a couple very, very interesting things. We received orders from movie industry, ask us to prepare some special unit to them. So there one, I remember 3 of the movies, they had used our units with the big stuff. The one story, very, very vivid story, is there's I think the colonel of the special force. Somehow they want to request the government to give them some special treatment. So they occupied the treasure island of San Francisco. So using our unit to communicate with the U.S. government. So there's otherwise we send a cruise missile and to damage San Francisco. So that's some kind of light part of the. Well, anyway, there's many stories to add, so I just use this to maybe to some light side. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Honorary Chairman, for sharing the inside stories. Thank you. Okay, now it's time to take a group picture. We would like to invite all our distinguished guests move to the front. Okay, please move to the front. We will take a group picture. Please, professors. And all distinguished guests, if you want to join, please come here. Please come.
不好意思，我们前面手机可能稍微放低一点哈，抱歉。
Okay, 1, 2, 3. All right, one more time. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Please, please. Oh, okay.
One more shot.
All right, some more. Let's try to memorize the wonderful moment.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, congratulations again to MTI. And once again, thank you very much for your presence. Have a nice evening. Goodbye.
Thank you.